everyone, it's Adele from REEP. In this tutorial, we're going to be making a Japanese Kokedama, also known as moss ball planting. Let's get started. For this activity, you will need a suitable plant. I'm using a fern, potting compost, sphagnum moss, cotton thread, scissors, a plate or tray and some water. Start by removing your plant from its pot. Use your fingers to gently brush the compost away from the roots, taking care not to break or damage them, just like I'm doing here. Pour some compost onto your plate or tray. Begin adding small amounts of water to it, mixing both together to form a wet cake-like consistency. Use your hands to knead the mixture into a ball big enough to encase the root ball of your plant. Squeeze any excess moisture from the compost so it holds itself together. Divide your compost ball into two halves by gently twisting it in the middle with your hands. Place the plant roots between the two halves and remold the compost ball around them. Lay your moss out on the tray and wrap it around your compost ball until it is completely covered. Wind cotton thread round and around your moss ball to hold it all in place. Leave a long length so you can hang it up on display away from direct sunlight. To water your moss ball, submerge it in a bucket of water for a few minutes and hang it up to allow excess water to drain away. Do this every 2 days in summer and twice a week in winter, misting it with a spray bottle in between soakings to keep it moist. I hope you have lots of fun learning more about the Japanese art of Kokedama and make a beautiful moss ball hanging plant to hang in your home. Make sure to share your creations with REEP by tagging us on Instagram and Facebook.